Welcome to Strichen. This is the village of Strichen, and we're going to go and visit Strichen Antiques. We're going to take you inside and see what they've got in store today. Here we go. I'm very well indeed, very well indeed. Here we've got Sarah and Graham. Hello Graham.
Hello everyone.
How are you doing?
Super.
So we'll start the tour outside the front gate of the old auction room, and narrow little pathway that comes into the garden area. Always different pieces being delivered or dropped off or getting ready for being displayed, but as you head round the back you'll see more of the garden furniture, always changing with the seasons and as stock comes and goes. Some vintage clothing if the weather's nice, hanging outside. And then the front door is quite surprising what you see when you go through into this main area. 3 ways to go. On the left is a small room that usually has furniture, desks, chaises longue, a variety of antiques on display, and some of the larger pieces of furniture. And on the right hand side, more of a Asian, Indian, Oriental feel, pottery and carvings, bits and pieces in all the corners, and a little room to the side often has Indian or Indian inspired pieces. But once you've had a look in there, come into the main hallway, central bar area, sometimes serving coffee, and then a stage at the back. Or everywhere you look there are items priced, everything from £1 all the way up to many thousands of pounds. Paintings, pictures, taxidermy. Taxidermy is quite a big theme. Beautiful large ceiling, beautifully lit, and a really pleasant place to spend some time having a wander around. Up onto the backstage, a bit more vintage clothing and a few other bits and pieces. Here's a view across the whole hall, and there's Graham in the middle, holding court and greeting visitors and doing deals. Hopefully this gives you a sense of the scale of the main room. Always new stock coming in and going out and being lifted and carried. And here's Jenny. There we go. And then going at the back of the stage, there's a further back room. This little area here is appealing to a different crowd, a bit more sort of the weirder and odder and more occult type items. And then up the stairs and into the back room, which again, more taxidermy, but an incredible variety of items in here, including jewellery, crockery, cutlery, ceramics, and just a tremendous place to come and have a wander around. Some of the smaller items, more delicate items are back here. Incredible collection. Strichen do quite a lot of furniture as well, which you can see on the Facebook page and the website, particularly things like Chesterfields, which there isn't as much space here in this location to display, but available on request and available to go and have a look at another large selection. Here we are at the back of the small room. There's Chris working away. And hopefully this gives you a sense of the diverse range of things that Strichen buy and sell and have on display. Very eclectic, appeals to so many different tastes, from the traditional to the more quirky. Then down the stairs, so this is now at the back and down the stairs, some pictures and paintings and maps. There are bathrooms on site, and we come round the back, the other side of the stage, and up back into the main hall.
That's right. That's fine. There we go.
Every nook and every cranny,
Lovely.
every corner is filled with something interesting, something worth having a look at. There's a little room off the side here, which is more of a plant and animal theme to it. And back into the main hall. In the winter, the fireplace would be lit and welcoming, and visitors are welcome to sit down and actually sit in and around what's on display, get a feel for things, get up close, and that's part of the joy of visiting Strichen, is just the way it feels, the ability there. It's Graham chatting in the background with the customer, and just a lovely place to spend an afternoon.